song on the street of my hood where you die, some cry, others cheat, get by. What other choose, wonder why his life took such early age. Young nigga, live by the rage, die by the gauge. Used to hustle on the street corner. His mom would always beg him to quit, but he never did it wanna. As he got older, my hood is a sauna. He got even worse, till a real nigga showed him the purpose of a hearse. Gold night in his hood, had a tango. His brother was scrambling with, broke his ankle. Laid him out in the driveway. Some people know he wouldn't survive, but hey, I ain't the one to speak up on him. All I can do, try to open his eyes and help the brother. Chose the wrong way. Nah, that's the route he took. Born, brought up as an angel, but died as a crook. The baby, he couldn't raise hell. She never see his father again, cause he's in the grave. Yo, let's think about it, nigga. My daddy was a dope man. I'm gonna be a dope dealer. How it family will explain. My daughter had a baby for a kid here. He ain't around to see a wolf. Dry his eyes when she cries, pick him up when she falls. Just to the kid, live and fly, fucks me up with a girl has to be a bastard child. Got deeper, used to punch her and beat her. She was loyal to his ass, but accused as a cheater. She had a good check, but I picked the wrong card. Now he had a kid that was not really smart. Why? Now she realizing life is hard. Now she realizing life is hard. Now she realizing life is hard. Life is hard. Now she realizing life is hard. 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 It was crazy how it happened. Some niggas rolled by the river of Keppin. All I can see is spinning around, six rapping, and the boy was came to the speed. Fell to the ground, feeding. Papa yelled, get an ambulance, but he knew he was dead. He didn't have no chance. Should've seen him, he was scared. But it goes to his chest, went into his head, let him down in silence. Then I hear the sirens, paramedics pulled up, followed by a lone man. Came up on a fucking fire truck. Put his ass full of scratching, but it survived. I'll bet you he be out for revenge. That shit is for rock. I bet you up on the north side. Grab the shit, we gonna take a long ride. Back it up the trunk, AK-47 and Mac 11. Pump. Roll by a truck sweet, school let him out. Yo, ain't got you yet, watch me. Open up the trunk, grab his fucking shotgun. Shot him up, put his duties in the front seat. Continue his mission as he headed down to the streets. Kid was just staring, each block, kid brother missing. Jesus rolled up with his smoke black brother. Reach out to the crap and he cracked the pole. Full speed through the weeds, hit his mom on the porch. Open down, cool hard, hey. When he shot his mom, Jay shit. Man, this fucking baby, fuck that bitch. Went to the store, used a pay phone, called Mac, ayo DJ home. Hang up, rolled him to the dagger, had him for the nigga for the after. By the time you right inside, Malcolm was ready for anything. Tried to sneak out, leak out, freak out. Niggas spot, put a block, spot, I'm came out. 27 niggas all strapped out on the house. That's how it happened in the echo. One nigga died in the park paper. Shits get deeper, but why? Well, guess what? We got a minute to pray, second to die.
Don't tell me that this isn't real.
Now she realized life is hard. No lie, no lie.
Don't tell me that this isn't real. Don't tell me this ain't how I feel. This is all I have.